It's stressful when a loss disrupts your life. Whatever the cause, water, mold, fire, we're here to talk you through the restoration process and explain how we make things right again. Big or small, from a broken refrigerator line to major flood, water damage can feel overwhelming. To guide your restoration journey with confidence, here's what you can expect along the way. Every situation is different, but our approach involves assessing and mitigating the damage, providing you with detailed documentation, helping you navigate the process with your insurance company, and reconstruction when necessary. The choice is yours. If you decide to file a claim, we work with all insurance carriers as America's largest national independent restoration company. But you, not the insurance company, gets to choose who fixes things. It starts with a free detailed assessment. Certified technicians identify and evaluate the damage using specialized tools. We check your home to see what can be saved and evaluate everything carefully since materials absorb water differently. This honest feedback helps you make informed decisions on your next steps. Now, about that water. Mitigation begins right away to stop further damage. We act quickly to remove the water and prevent further damage. So we come in, water goes out. We take a detailed sketch of your property and provide daily readings showing you the work done. Progress is provided to you and your insurance company if you file a claim. You can pay out of pocket, self-pay with your reimbursement from your insurance company, or direct payment by your insurance company. Things really start to get back to normal during the reconstruction phase as materials are replaced, repainted, and repaired. Rest assured, from initial assessment to final construction, we offer the highest level of professionalism during it all. It may seem daunting now, but rest easy. We'll have things back to normal as fast as possible. No matter the damage, no matter the decision to use insurance or self-pay, we've got your back. With you in the driver's seat, we're with you every step of the way, all to get you, your home, and your life back to normal. Whatever the reason for your loss, please don't hesitate to call with questions and let us know how we can help.